There once was a time in a yard with no halls. Blair and Brittany fight to claim one ball. At first Brittany had the ball, but then Blair grabs it with her teeth. And right before Brittany claims defeat, she comes up with a master plan. Brittany has a BarkBox in her van. When Brittany shows Blair the BarkBox, Blair drops the ball. But then Brittany didn't know. She started a new brawl. Hey BNG Nation, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so as you can tell by the title, we are here with a BarkBox review. Hopefully this month's theme is what I'm thinking it is, which is the Scooby-Doo BarkBox theme, because last BarkBox they did advertise it, so I'm assuming it's gonna be in this BarkBox, because why would you give someone else a BarkBox and not your subscribers this BarkBox? So I'm sure this is the Scooby-Doo theme, so hopefully it is, because otherwise I wasted my time doing that intro. If you don't know what BarkBox is, it is a monthly dog subscription box. So if you want to spoil your dog, this is the box you should be getting. So whenever I signed on, I did get the 6-month plan, where I basically say I'm gonna be here for 6 months. They still bill me monthly, but I get 3 toys, 2 treat bags, and 1 chew. So it just depends on what plan is best for you, basically. And you can customize it, so like if you want more toys rather than treats, or more treats rather than toys, you just have to contact, I want to say they're called the Happy Team. I can't remember what exactly. I haven't never contacted them before, but you can definitely contact them to let them know, like, hey, my dog doesn't really like these crinkly toys. Like, if my dog didn't like crinkly toys, I could let them know and they won't send that ever again. So just so you know, you can customize it a little bit. After that, did I say how much it was? $30 is how much I pay for 3 toys, 2 treat bags, and 1 chew. And that is it. So let's go ahead and bring my dog into here so we can open it up and, yeah, have some fun, okay? Let's go, let's go. Yep, is that your BarkBox? Oh, thank you, baby, for my kisses. She's trying to take my bow out. She's trying to open it, but she has her big old paw in there, so she's not going to be able to open it. Look, she's like, I'm cool with just a little paper. I'm good with that. Here, open it. There you go. There it is. So, yup, we are right. It's the Scoob BarkBox. Like that. Okay, she already grabbed some toys. So she grabbed Scooby-Doo. That's what she does. She'll grab it for a second and then she's like, I want the other stuff too. So this is Scooby. I took a little video before so that y'all can see what it is. But this is Scoob. I knew she was gonna do this, so. This is a Scoob. It has a crinkle, a disc squeaker behind the squeaks. Like the coolest dog of them all, besides your dog, of course. Scoob is packed with fluff, crinkle, and a big squeaker. Great for snuggles, wrestling, and fetch. After all, he's used to being chased. So let's see how the crinkle. So, and if you can hear the crinkle. Not as, and all the toys are designed and made by Bark, so every toy has a Bark tag on it, just so y'all know. So this is the mystery machine. It has some surfboards on the top, and I guess a satellite, and then has Shaggy and Scoob in the front with the 4 wheels. And this is the mystery machine. License plate Scoob sink. Scooby snacks. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. And as you can tell, like, let me show you. Yeah, every toy has the Bark logo. There you go. Yeah, she's not a big fan of crinkles. Does it have? Yeah. It has a squeaker. So, she just wants everything. So it has a crinkle, a disc squeaker, behind the squeaks, Zoinks. The mystery machine is packed with all your favorite, your dog's favorites. Fluff, crinkle, crackling crinkle, and a big squeaker. Okay. She wants my bow, I'm telling you guys. Okay, this one, oh, this is like the sandwich. Oh my goodness. That's so cute. She just wants it because I have it. So it goes in, like, it goes out like that, and then it goes back in. And it has 2 speakers, one in the front, one in the back, and the breads. And then it kind of just goes together, and then it goes out like that. It's like a bungee cord. So cool. So that is it. Your greatest sandwich, of course. Makes me kind of hungry, even though it's a toy. So it's the Scoob's Groovy Sandwich. So it has crinkle, a disc squeaker, and it's bungee. So behind the squeaks, hope you brought your playtime appetite. This super duper sandwich is stacked with 2 big squeakers and crackling crinkle paper. Grab onto the bungee rope for a game of tug. Winner gets all the Scooby snacks. I love that. Oh, that's so cute. I love that. And then, so, see, she's just playing with a toy until, like, I start opening the box again. And then she's ready to start playing with it again. Like, what do you have in here? Yep, you need me to open the snacks. You can't open them yourself. But right here is just explaining for you to put this Scoob collar tag on your dog, and then basically hashtag it on your social and explain how you and your dog basically came to know each other. So from y'all's first date, basically. And then yeah, so that is basically it. And then it gives them the socials and all that good stuff. And then we got our 3 treats, so we'll go into that. These are the possible toys you can get in this month's box. So there we go. Alright, so now for the snacks, which is the best part. She's already tearing this thing up. She likes the sandwich. It's her favorite toy so far. This is the Scooby Snack. This is the sweet potato recipe dog treat with turmeric, whatever that is. Let's see what that shows. Scooby Snack. Alright. Okay. And then we have the Scooby Snack pork recipe dog treats with pumpkin. So that's how that looks. I really like this. This is so cute. I like this theme. Do you want a Scooby snack? You want a Scooby snack? Yeah, you want a Scooby snack. Do you want a Scooby snack? Ooh, that smells good. You smell that? And this is how it looks. She's such a kid. And then we got Scooby Snacks beef recipe dog treats with sweet potato and spinach. Wow, that's different. So yeah, that's it. This is she. this is how the treat looks. You drop it? Alright. So that was the May BarkBox, and that is all that we have. I hope that you guys liked that unboxing and enjoyed the intro because we were in the hot slaving sun, okay?